Welcome to the Intech TRUMPF in-house exhibition. After 2 years breaks from Corona, we are now back here live in Ditzingen.
Yeah, I mean, at the end, it's a trust-based business. It's very difficult to explain every single item of our machine verbally in let's say in a data sheet or only with a video. So it is important to build a relationship, and especially a long-term relationship, because for us it's important that the customer gets successful.
One highlight of this year's Intech is the new software solution Oceaon by TRUMPF. Wolfgang, could you please briefly explain what's special about this new software?
Oceaon is our new software for production management. We have 20 to 30 years of experience developing software for fabrication and logistics. And now we are bringing it to the next level. Productivity gains up to 20%. Oceaon is really the start into the smart factory world for every customer.
Oceaon also offers many relevant features regarding intralogistics. Dennis, companies can fully automate their material flow without using a larger storage. Could you please explain the process behind that?
Yeah, sure. We use in our smart material flow system the Oceaon module Logistics that interacts with the fabrication data. So it all starts with digitization of material and stock data, and we can optimize the intralogistics there. You can start with manual transports. And you also can only make autonomous transports in total. We have here a new feature. This is called a docking station, where you can automate the booking of a workstation. So you put in here a pallet card, the .matrix code will be scanned, the light is blinking two times, and you have the automated booking here on this station.
As you could see, the future of sheet metal manufacturing happens here in Ditzingen. The Intake is open till Friday, so you can visit us and join us here.